Luxury rugs are becoming popular to interior designers. Here are the reasons why. Dear friends, a well-selected designer rug can become the focal point of any indoor space and enhance your home's decor, in addition to being a furnishing accessory. Luxury rugs have the ability to transform your home into something you can be proud of by introducing an element of exceptional beauty. These impressive area rugs are known for their emotional appeal and aesthetic impact. Traditionally considered to be signs of wealth and social prestige, luxury designer rugs have been growing in popularity in recent times, thanks to modern design trends. Watch on below to find out why top interior design experts and homeowners alike are shifting their focus to luxury rugs. What is a luxury designer rug? A luxury designer rug can be defined as a handmade rug that uses natural materials, such as wool and silk among others. Luxury rugs are also defined by their color, texture, design, fiber and craftsmanship as well. Given these characteristics, these types of designer rugs have an important role to play when it comes to creating beautiful interiors. Reasons why luxurious rugs are becoming more popular. Enriching interior decor. Luxury rugs are increasingly being viewed as a great addition to any interior decor setup. If you are looking to enhance your home's interior decorations, consider getting an area rug. These works of art can stand out while still bringing together all of the different elements of a room. Nurturing mental well-being. In these stressful modern times, luxury rugs are increasingly being seen as great additions to any interior space. Natural rugs are a great way to bring nature indoors, during a time when it is becoming increasingly difficult to get out and treat your eyes while getting some much-needed fresh air. Desire for designer rugs. A good number of people have the desire to own a piece of artwork. Luxury designer rugs are considered to be works of art, thanks to their impressive designs and craftsmanship. If you want to make a lasting impression on anyone who visits your home, consider getting a luxury designer rug for your dining room or living room. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.